Hey y'all, we're going to make some more orange slices. And I've done this the last couple of years here at the cabin, and I love it because it's cabiny and cozy. But this is how they look after they have been in the Ziploc bag in the box in the basement all year, and they're still pretty. But when they come out fresh and you hang them by a light or where the light can come from the window through it, it looks like stained glass. Now they really, they don't really have any smell. And I've seen people do cloves and different things, but I don't really want to put cloves in it because I don't want them falling out. I just don't, we don't have any animals or small children in the house, but I also don't want to step on a clove. Ow. Okay, so what I have got going, got a cookie sheet, got some parchment paper. I'm gonna try not to break your ears. I'm gonna wad this up. So do it down here so maybe it won't be so loud. If you wad up your parchment paper, it will lay down flat for you. And I just like doing cute things like that. I don't know if it's cute, I guess it's handy. But anyway, and so it'll lay down flatter for you. So what I'm gonna do, oven is preheated to 200 degrees. And I'm just gonna slice these oranges. And I'm gonna try, to make them as uniformly sliced as possible. But I cannot tell you how long this is gonna take because everyone is gonna slice their oranges at a different thickness. Now I have tried this on the mandolin, and I'm not a fan of doing it on the mandolin. I just love to hand do these, y'all. But now let's see. This is probably going to be the last one I'm going to be brave enough to do. It's getting close to my digits over there. Now you save these, and we made the other day a wonderful smelling thing called Clarence Moody's Odor Punch. It's not for drinking, it's for smell good. And he was a shop owner in Memphis in the 70s, and he was known for his hospitality. And so this was his recipe. And of course, I had my y'all sweet tea that I warmed up a while ago and put these orange slices in it, and I feel so festive. But I'm just gonna put these in the oven, and I'm going to probably every 30 minutes take them out and turn them over. And because they're not all the same size and everything, they will dry up differently at different times. So I'll just selectively take out some that are ready, but you don't really want them to be gummy sticky because that's no mess. And then anyway, you want them to be pretty dry. If they've got just a little bit of moisture, it's okay. But for the most part, you don't want them gummy sticky. All right, that's as far as I'm going on that one. So let me just lay these out real quick, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to encourage some of the moisture to get out. Now you could use some tea towels if you want to, but they're on the other side of the room, and I'm here with y'all, and I don't want to leave y'all here at the bar all by yourself. So anyway, this will just encourage some of that moisture, and then you can just turn them over and do the same thing. And that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven, and I'll set my timer on my phone, and then I will remember to come back and flip them because I'm going to get to doing something else, and I will absolutely forget. Do y'all ever do that? So anyway, that's what I'm going to do, and I'll see y'all back when these come out, and I'll tell you about how long they took, but it's going to take a little while, and the house is going to smell wonderful. So I'll see y'all back after a while. Alrighty, y'all, they have been in there about 4 hours. I flipped them every 30 minutes, but I thought I would go ahead and get them out. And this was the very thinnest one. And I think it's a little sticky, but it's not, my fingers don't feel gummy. It just has some give to it. So I'm just gonna go through here and fill up all of these because I don't want them to go too long. But you'll get the feel of them after you find one. Oh, that was real wet. You find one that's like this one. The rest of these, you'll just know, y'all. But I guess the best way, let's see. Okay. The section lines on here, on this one, you will feel that they are a little bit sharper and stiffer than, say, this one, because this one kind of feels about sort of the same way all the way around. But this one, you can definitely tell a marked difference on these lines. But y'all, it's just an orange slice, so You know, always start all over, but we're not going to. We're going to put these back in the oven at 200. See, that's not even hardly hot to touch, y'all. I'm going to put these back in the oven, and I'm going to let them go till everybody else looks like this little fella right here. So I'll see y'all back when these come out. Alrighty, y'all. That took about 4.5 hours. Some of them took 4 and 15 minutes, and some took 4 and 45 minutes, but the last really hour is, to me, the crucial part where you want to get them out and mess with them and see what you think about them and put your eyeball on them. But what I do, I always keep me a big bag of raffia around. I love the stuff. I use it year round. So what you do is you take your orange, you take a toothpick. Now I'm trying a straw. A toothpick works much better. And you just decide where you want to put the string, and you just put your toothpick right in that place, and you just waller out a hole. And I'm going to cut it pretty good. Let's see, I'll start on this end. And let's see if I made my hole big enough here. Yep. Alrighty. And then you just tie this. Now, I'm not going to throw away the ones that I did last year, because I can put those in a garland or put them on a wreath outside or something, and it'll be fine. I don't want to waste them. But these pretty ones, fresh ones, I'm going to put on the tree. And if the sun will come out, I'll get a good picture, maybe in the sunshine. And if not, I'll try to get a good picture tonight whenever whenever the light is going through one of these. So anyway, this is just an inexpensive little Christmas ornament that you can hang on your tree and have a really natural look, which is my look, especially here at the cabin, to be natural. So anyway, I love these, y'all. Okay, I'm going to go and finish up these, and I will see y'all next time, and I'll attach some pictures at the end of this video so y'all can see what these look like. So see y'all. Bye.